Hey everyone, Meg here with IT Stamping, and today we're going to be playing with products from Not Too Shabby. So this is my first time using their products, and I'm super excited to get it. This is part of their Rugged Outdoor bundle, and so I wanted to show you everything that came in it. So when we open it up, we have these great little enamel dots. I think these are such pretty colors, and they're different from anything else I have. So I was excited about that. Then we have the a little insert, and then some ephemera die cut pieces. So like I said, this is their Rugged Outdoor bundle. So here we have a stamp set that is super cute. Like, I love the sentiments on here. You're my greatest adventure. Camping is my therapy. Always take the scenic route. Wander where the Wi-Fi is weak. I like that one. In fact, I think we'll use that today. And then this paper. Look at this paper. So it's called Grit and Grunge. Super excited to open it up so you guys are seeing it. Like, I saw the cover before. I haven't actually looked at the paper. I was waiting for you to do that. So we have our cover sheet. Look at these cool textures. This is a double-sided pack. So you have 4 of each, double-sided. And that's the other of that one. These are really cool. And I like how versatile they are. Like, I could use these on so many different projects, not just with the ephemera and not just with the stamp set. So great patterns of paper. Okay, super fun. So that's what's in the bundle. We're going to start using these products to make a card. What do you say? So with my sentiment, I'm going to go where the Wi-Fi is weak. And so I like that piece of ephemera. There's all different ones in here. That one works well too. So you have some fishing and some camping and some hiking and some rafting. I do like that one too. So maybe I'll do this one with that one. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna go with these two here. Let me pull all these others to make sure I didn't miss one that I would absolutely want to change out. And I think I'm good with the ones I picked. All right, now comes the hard part of picking which pattern paper. Like, I don't know. I love this one. I love this one. I'm trying to pick patterns that are pushing me outside my comfort zone. So I'm trying not to go with things I would normally go with. What are the other sides? Yeah, that's gonna work great too. What about this one? So this one's got some vertical lines to it, and so does that one on the back, or horizontal, depending on which way you do it. So maybe this one in with it. So if I go with those 4, and then that, I think I really like those. All right, so we're gonna play with these different pattern papers right here. So we're gonna cut them 2 at a time. And I'm cutting them in 3/4 inch sections. Then I'm going to take them and turn them and cut them at 3.5 inches. And they don't have to be perfect. That's the other good part about this card layout. I can picture these patterns also being great for like any masculine coffee type cards as well. So not just outdoorsy type things. So I'm just going to start laying them out. I'm going to leave some room on the bottom and the right hand side. And then also this one I'm going to do a little bit closer to middle. I'm just going to stagger these. Stagger them in height. The only thing I really don't want to do is have 2 stripes next to each other. Look at these cool patterns. Oh, actually, I love that one. I want that one to be focal over here on the right hand side. Love that. So you've got this great background, and then remember we have these two pieces of ephemera. So I'm going to take each of these though, and I'm going to trim them down just a smidge. And I want to think about where my sentiment's going. So I'm going to trim off from the left-hand side because I want more space right over here. On this one, I'm going to take a little off the top and the bottom. I'm going to keep them as squares. Yeah, I like that. And then this one, I'm going to cut off more of this side. Or on this one, I want to keep the right-hand side, the left-hand side. I'm just going to do some trimming around. It's got some great texture on it, and I don't want to lose any of that texture. And now we're ready to do our stamping. So this stamp set is called the Great Outdoor Sentiment. And I like how you could really use it with so many different things. So like I said, I'm going to go with this one right here. So I could go with any color ink. I thought about doing navy because I thought it would look really cool with it. But then the more I looked at it, it's got so many different blues, I thought it'd be best to go with black. Perfectly stamped. Turned out perfect the first time. Love that. Okay, so we're going to grab our scissors and we're just going to cut around this. So I'm going to take our card base, square it in half. Then I'm going to add our great panel that we made with all those strips. I love how this is coming together. I'm going to use some foam adhesive behind these, right here. Bring my little trash bowl. So on this one on the side, and I'm going to do these on an angle. I'm going to do the opposite angle on the other one. And then my sentiment is going to go right in the middle of these, and I'm going to take my foam tape and just put it right here. Fun. Okay, now let's take some of these enamel dots because I can't resist. I have to use them. Love these. Ooh, the only question is which size. So I think I'm going to go with the medium size, darker one, like right there. And this one, this kind of looks like river rock to me. Maybe add that one there. And then let's go with this one. Actually, let's go with a smaller one. Kind of put that right up by our sentiment. And there we have our super fun card. How awesome is this one? I love how this turned out. These were fun products to use. Like I said, I've never used them before, and it definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone, but I love the way it turned out. So we have this fabulous pattern paper, and then the great ephemera, the wonderful stamp set. I mean, like, look at everything in this stamp set. I love this one. And then we finished off with some enamel dots, and my friends, we have this amazing card. So I hope you enjoyed today's project. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to like and follow IT Stamping, and make sure to look in the description of this video for all the details, as well as an exclusive playlist with other members of the Creative Collective. So make sure to check that out. All right, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.